Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you our Ramadan decorations. Right here is the moon with a star and a lantern with a candle.
Can you be a little loud?
With a candle. And we have a lot of real leaves that we sprayed, painted, and we also have these glittery stars.
So this moon we made out of foam board, and we stick it to a banana stand that used to be black, and I spray painted it silver, and then I cut this moon from the foam board
and we spray painted it
and
silver.
we spray painted it with silver and sparkly spray, and we hot glued it on it.
Yeah.
So.
And we also hot glued the star here at the tip of it. And we also put the hook on like that.
And we made this banner, Ramadan Kareem.
And we did this. We're gonna write 3 things that we want for Eid, and then we're gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna choose one.
Okay, so this we made for our kids to like do all the Ramadan things, like do Rosa, Namaz, and Quran Pak, and then they put their 3 wishes in them. We have 3 kids, so all 3 of them will put 3 wishes, and then one of each will come true, depending on their behavior. Right, Anna? And we wrote this
All of the
about
rules.
fasting.
Says fasting, and
Can you read it loud?
Forgiveness,
Acceptance,
self-control, truth, ignorancy,
integrity,
and
nourishment,
and grace.
Yes. So these
3
are
stars.
all with when you fast. You get all of these when you fast. And we're gonna move into the other corner.
Over here, we put a rug here and 2 pillows.
We made this a little reading corner, and we have put some kids Islamic books here that they can pick one, whichever book
And
each
read.
day and read. Can you show us?
And so we take a book from the basket. We take a book from the basket. We sit here and read it. We sit here and read it. And then when we're done, we put it back in the basket.
So this is our little Ramadan reading corner.
Yeah. also put this. We also have palm tree lights.
So we put this canopy and then we put these palm tree lights on it.
Yeah. And some flowers. And this. It's a flower with a candle.
Pretty. So which one is your favorite part? This corner?
This corner.
This corner? And what about this? Do you like this area?
Yeah. I like the colorful banners.
So guys, please watch our video and let us know what do you think about our decoration and which part is your favorite. This table, the whole banner, this, or our reading corner. And my kids' favorite thing is this Eid wish that they're gonna put their wishes in it, and then, right?
And then we're gonna get one, and I'm really excited.
Are you excited about Ramadan? Yes?
Yeah.
Are you gonna do Rosa?
Yeah.
Inshallah. Yes. So please let us know, what did you like the most? So, and also I wanted to show you that these boards were actually from dollar store, and this is the back of it.
I want to show them. We got two of the same ones.
So we got two of these boards, and then this was actually a flower hanging envelope, kind of. It's made out of tin, and it was silver, which I colored it gold, and I colored the board too, and we put these letters.
And we colored the outside gold.
Yes, we colored the outside gold, and we painted the letters gold too. And
we painted all of this.
Yeah, so I put chalk paint on it, and I wrote this. We wrote it with the chalk markers, and then we put these foam stars on them.
And then we did glitter glue.
Yeah, glitter glue dots
all around.
And these were actually plain gold.
Like that.
Yeah, like this is silver right here. This is how it was originally, but we colored these in different colors, and we put glitter on.
Pink.
And
there's pink, green, and blue.
Yeah. And these are original leaves that we cleaned and we spray painted them for the decorations. So are these.
We're gonna use them for all of the holidays.
So are you enjoying this Ramadan decoration?
These would be really good for fall.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna say bye now, and please watch and let us know.
And we also have this.
Yes, we made this Kaaba out of a box.
A box, we put gold washi tape around it, and then this small door with these fake gems.
Yes.
There are a lot of different shapes.
Mm-hmm.
And we put this tasbih here.
So say happy Ramadan.
Happy Ramadan.
Enjoy all the months. Stay safe, stay home, and do more ibadat as much as you can, and do good stuff, help other people, help needy people, and stay safe. Bye. Bye, Anna.
Bye.